Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to reset Google Home Mini No button. Let's go. Open Google Home app. Choose your Google Home Mini, Google Home Mini, Google Nest Mini. Settings, device information, Wi-Fi, forget, remove device. Turn off microphone. Hold down here and hold until the device restarts. The device has been reset to factory settings. After restarting, open the Google Home app, turn on microphone, open Google Home app, add device, Google Nest or partner device. Now you can start settings up your Google Home Mini again. That's it. Now you know how to reset Google Home Mini No button. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.